Just shaved. Rocking the Gosner's hat. Let's go bug the family. They just went down for a nap. Got the family here. Got Dave here.
Good night. Will you turn the fan on?
Taking a Saturday nap.
Dude, that light is cool.
Just kidding.
Nice one, CJ.
Stronger?
Perfect.
That's good.
Yeah. Thank you.
They're taking the nap while I do the gear review. Alright, we got all of the meals set up. Gonna do some like separating, so I have like 10 different packages of where I want to do food drops and have family and friends send me stuff as needed. Going through the backpack final gear list, deciding what I want to take or what I don't want to take. Got different outfits set out for different seasons or different times as needed. I'm gonna pause the... Alright. Today's the unboxing of the Apple Watch Ultra 2.
Nice.
Ooh, mountains. Whoa, way too bright. Oh, this is legit. The mountains are calling. Alright, Apple. Coolest packaging so far I've ever seen. We got the Alpine, Ocean, and Trail bands. Let's see which one I got. You got the Ocean one, right, Dave?
The Ocean one?
Band?
Oh, I got the Trail one and the Ocean one. Yeah. I really like the orange one. I like the coolest, but I use the Trail one because it's just so much more fun for me.
Yeah. I think I got the Alpine one.
Maybe that's what they call it.
Alpine Loop. No, there's a Trail, Ocean, and Alpine.
This is what I got.
Where did I just put my...
Ooh, I like that color. The green's really pretty. Yeah, so I got the Trail.
Nice.
Right. Oh,
I don't know. Oh yeah, because of two colors.
Mm-hmm. I like the green a lot.
That seems weird. It seems like I would have gotten the Trail one. It would have made more sense. But...
The nice thing with these is because it hooks into the thing.
Oh yeah.
The odds of it like getting ripped off of you is very, very low. But this one's Velcro, so it can catch on something and it comes.
Oh yeah. These are clipped in.
Yeah. And that's why I ended up really liking this one more, because this one, because it's Velcro, I can put the exact tightness that I want.
Yeah.
Whereas that one, it's like
a notch.
it's a notch. So,
So
it's
it might
either
be too tight or
too tight or too loose for me. It was both. Like my wrist fatness was right in between.
Yeah. Hopefully mine fits right.
But I love the color of the green. It's really pretty.
Yeah. To attach band. Slide until you hear a click. And here's the band. I did not do much research on this either. If I should get like a Garmin or a different type of watch. I was just like, you know what? I got an Apple Watch, gonna trade it in. Oh, thank goodness. I was thinking it didn't come with a new charging cable, but it does. Apple hasn't gotten rid of those yet. Next thing they'll say is, we're trying to save carbon, we're not gonna... Yeah. I thought since I traded it in, they'll be like, oh, this is a trade-in package, he already has a charger. But, cool. We got the braided loops. I don't think you can tell on that, but... Sweet. Dun, dun, dun. It's got their GPS coordinates on, designed by Apple in California. 37 degrees, 20. It's pretty cool. I took the guy on tour last week that does the design for Apple iPhone. He's on the design team. Pretty cool, dude. Pretty cool family. Okay. And there she is. Way bigger than my current watch. Significantly bigger. Wonder if that'll be annoying, but just freaking cool though. You have a cover for yours? You don't, because you got Apple Care on it. Cool. Someone has passed me by. Sit around and wonder what. Okay, got that side. I need to keep the display on. How does this even work? Cool. Whoa, this feels funky. Too loose. A little tight. Just right. All right. Hopefully that'll be tracking me everywhere. All right. Time to get some stickers on the van of my sponsor, Next Adventure. Super, super cool brand. Cool store out of Portland, Oregon. What's up, duckies? What's up, duck gang? Going right here next to Owls and Sunday Semis. Let's go right there. And I think we're gonna go with this guy. How am I gonna do this? This is where my filming skills are not the greatest. Alright, there she is. Next Adventure. You. Now let's go put some Climeworks stickers on, then we're good. Last but not least, we got Climeworks sponsoring supposedly this hike. Gonna be sending some Always Climb videos about the challenge. Oh, check out this little lizard. Found him in a pool the other day. We were hanging out. He lives on. Alright. Climeworks sticker right there. Or... yeah, we'll go right there. A-E-I-O-U. You see my butt crack from here? Bet you can't. Oh, this car decal. It's gonna look lovely. Right there. Sweet. Turned out excellent. In addition to the rest of the stickers.